Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to harvest my onion right here. So I didn't really remember when I planted this onion, but fortunately there is YouTube, and I searched in YouTube how I can tell that my onion is ready to be harvested. So one way to tell when it's ready to be harvested is when the leaves is like it's falling down like this. I will show you. Let me tell you, like this one right here, they're already down. Or you can do the old-fashioned way, which is you can just dig around and see if the bulb is already in good size, decent size. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my harvest, and also I am going to show you how I planted this onion. So I'm going to harvest first, and then I'm going to tell you how I planted this onion right here. So I bought a bulb in Home Depot. It's just the small one, and it's in a package, and then I'm going to show you later. Okay, so I'm gonna harvest first, and then later I'm gonna show you how to plant onion. Just to let you know guys, when I planted this one, there are 3 plants that died when you were like really young. So I planted another 3, so they're gonna be, you know, small. But I'm going to just harvest all of this one because I'm going to plant another onion so that they grow, and be harvested at the same time. And then when I'm done with this harvesting this one, I'm gonna add more soil in this area right here. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is the one that I planted, like, when the other 3 died. This is one, so you can see there's nothing, but it's fine. And there's also a little one, if I'm not mistaken. This is also part of that one, but it's good, I take it. Then there's the tiny one. This one is rotten. That's one of the, I think, part of the other 3. This one, I'm not really sure. Maybe it was more than 3. Then here's one, this in size. And this one here, this in size. This one is, they are like twins, and as far as I can remember, I only planted 1, but there's 2, so I will take it. This is, by the way, a white onion. I have yellow. They're not very big, but it's okay. And then yellow. Wow, I'm surprised because this one, I'm pretty sure this one is the same time I planted it, and there's nothing in here. It's okay, not a big deal. And this one too is really tiny, but you can see, it's yellow, but it has a big, but so doesn't really mean that it's big right here, that you have a big bulb. It's really tiny. Maybe I'm doing something, so if you know that I'm doing something wrong, you can comment down below. This one, yeah, their leaves are pretty like big and healthy, but the bulb is not that big. By the way, I already harvested 6, like maybe almost a week ago, and that one is, I'm really surprised. It's good. Yeah, this one pretty good. This one is big as well. Cut the bulb, see? Yeah, see, this one is small but big leaves, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure if some of this one I'm doing something wrong. Yeah, see, there's some. Or maybe because also guys, when this one was growing, I added more like on top of it, I added more soil, and they said that we should not plant onion like deep. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna show you, okay? I'm just gonna put it on the ground, and then I'm gonna show you, okay? So guys, I just put the onion here in our driveway. I'm going to find a place later wherein enough, air circulation to cure this one. Um, this one here, guys, like maybe a week ago, I harvested this one, and I already used one of this one when I was cooking yesterday, and today I'm going to cook chayote, so I'm gonna use one or two of this onion. And also guys, I'm gonna show you how I started planting this onion. At first, I got my bulb, this small tiny one at Home Depot. So what I did was I soak it in water for like 5 minutes, and after that one I put that one here like this, just kind of, this one I watered this one yesterday, this spot right here with soil already. So you can just put that one right here. Just this one is not good, I can tell. Let's go like that. Sometimes most of the time it grows, but sometimes there's some bulb that is not growing, yeah, so it's okay. Don't get disappointed. I just wish I have enough, but it's okay. I think this one is plenty. So if you have enough, you can actually put the bulb close to each other. And then I'm just gonna use this water to water this. And then guys, you have to water it like maybe if it's too hot outside. I watered mine for like a day every day. Make it, like what I'm saying is, make sure that the soil is moist. Okay, so like this one, just push that one. I think this one might not grow, but I will try. Just make sure they're like that. So I usually check it like, every day if it's already dry. So then guys, what you're going to do is, as soon as this one grows about 2 inches, maybe like that one, or maybe even 1.5 inches, you can transplant this one to the area where you are going to plant this one. And it needs to be like in a sunny area. And then what you are going to do is, when you plant this one, make sure to cover just the bulb, not really, don't put it too deep, okay? Because I think that's what happened to some of my harvest, is that I didn't really know about it. But that area right there where I planted my onion, I actually put more soil in there. I put it on top of it. So the area that was not really have a lot of soil, they actually the one that have like good harvest. You know, the bulb is this inside. Okay guys, hope you like my video. If you have any questions or suggestion for me, because this one's gonna take I don't know, maybe a week or two for this one to start growing, so you can give me a suggestion when I will transplant this one, and maybe next time I can get more harvest. Okay guys, as what I've said, also that area where I harvested this one, I'm gonna add more soil in there, um, and then fertilize it, and then um, I'm I'm really happy with my harvest, although there are some, but it's fine, you can still use that one for cooking. So okay guys, I hope you learned something today. Sorry with my camera, I've been trying and trying to record this one, but unfortunately it, for some reason, it was not focusing on me. It's usually focusing on the one behind me or my background. So okay guys, have a nice day. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you disagree with me, you can give it a thumbs down. It's up to you guys, and I hope I will see you next time. Bye.